This video will help you identify the sounds your new washing machine is going to make. The sound you're listening to right now, that's water filling into your washing machine. This is normal sound. Please subscribe to our channel. We upload videos every week to help you with your appliances. And please remember to always use your use and care guide.